Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be switching out my perfume tray. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amy. I do videos on all things girly, fragrance, self-care, body care, and I switch out my perfume tray every month because I do have a collection of about 60 to 70 perfumes, and I like to focus on a small amount each month and see what needs to leave my collection, what I'm loving, what's a favorite, and I like to do that with you guys. So if you are interested in the fragrances that I'm going to be wearing for the month of April, just keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the fragrances that you see right now, and then I'm going to turn the camera around. I never show myself picking the fragrances, but I'm gonna pick out a few just so that you guys can see how the collection is looking, and then I'll go ahead and start adding them to the perfume tray. I do have my perfume collection in different color shelves, and that's the last one down there. So I'm going to start off just picking out a few. All right, I have my fragrances. Okay, I'm going to start adding the fragrances to the tray. I am going to start off with a very tropical but sexy perfume that I have loved. And I did get this one in Puerto Rico, so it just reminds me of tropical vibes, and it's hot out, so I'm going to be adding Michelle Germain's Sugarful Sunshine. This is my favorite one from all of the ones that I have tried, and I love to bring this out in hot weather. Up next, I'm going to be adding Perfumes de Marly de Lina La Rose. Kind of had a little bit of bad luck with this one in the colder weather here, so I'm very excited to wear it now that it is warm out because this is one of my favorite spring perfumes. Up next, I'm going to be adding a very shampoo-y, girly scent. This is Juicy Couture. We cannot wait to start wearing this one this month. I'm also going to be adding Kayali Eden Juicy Apple, and my goal is to finish up this bottle because the longer this fragrance sits, the muskier this gets, and I don't want it to get to the point where it goes bad or I don't like it, so I want to use it up. I love apple perfumes. I'm going to be doing an apple video soon, so yeah, I'm very excited for that. I love apple in fragrances. Up next, I'm going to be adding a very affordable perfume, but this one is beautiful in warm weather. This is from Eau de Juice, and this is Good Energy. It looks like a little juice box, but I swear this perfume in the heat is amazing. It just makes me feel so refreshed, put together, clean, girly. Love it. Up next, I'm going to be adding both of my Giorgio Armani fragrances, Ocean di Gioia and Acqua di Gioia, which I recently added to my collection, and these are perfect for the hot weather as well. I am also going to be adding my favorite from Juliana's perfume, and this is 13 of Hearts. Cannot wait to continue to wear this one because this for springtime is another one that I reach for on my casual days, so I'm very excited for it. Next up, we have Juliet Has a Gun Pear Ink, another spring staple for me. Hopefully I can smell it because I don't have good luck with this one and longevity, so here I'm scared that it won't last at all, but I am about almost halfway done with this bottle. I love this scent profile. Up next, we have Lore, and this is Sublimity. This fragrance right here I fell in love with, and when I tell you this lasted all day after I filmed that day. So performance so far, very impressive. This is literally like the ocean in a bottle. Up next, I am going to be adding a discontinued fragrance, but it's because I want to use it. I don't want it to go bad, and I want to see if it even works out for me here because I wasn't too crazy about it here last summer. From what I remember, I need to look back on some videos, but this is my Coconut Fizz fragrance, which in Puerto Rico was amazing. It was so tropical smelling and coconutty. Here I am getting more of like a cucumber scent and like more florals for some reason, but I'm gonna test it out again and wear it, and hopefully I love it because this one is a hard one to find, and it's just one that should never be discontinued. Up next, I'm going to be adding Versace Bright Crystal. I recently added this to my collection, so I'm excited to try this out, and hopefully I don't get a headache from it here. I am also going to be adding MAC Turquatic, of course, for this hot weather. This is a must. I am going to also be adding Gucci Guilty. This is another discontinued fragrance, but I think the one that is at Sephora right now, the EDT version. It smells pretty similar. I want to get myself a bottle and I keep forgetting so that I can compare them. But this is me and my teen daughter's favorite perfume, or one of my favorite perfumes, obviously. Up next, I'm going to also be adding Mod Blush because this is a spring staple as well. I also want to add these 2 body mists from Athena, even though I do still have a bunch of body mist below here, and I'm gonna be using those this month with a lot of these, but I want to put these at the top because I wore Love Letter this morning and it was so nice in the morning. I loved it. So I want to have them kind of like close by so that I can remember to spray them. So every time I pass by here in the room, literally this is like right there in front of my face. So I'm gonna put these there. All right, so there are all of the choices for the month of April. I am very excited. I think there are so many fragrances that I love here. I don't think there are any that I won't enjoy, hopefully. So we will see this month. I will update you guys in the Perfume Diaries video. Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Let me know what fragrances you're bringing out for spring, or where you are and what the vibes are, what you're wearing. I definitely need to bring all of my freshies and fruity scents out. That is going to be it for me today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.